What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and I'm back with another video. In this video, as you can see, we're going to talk about why you are losing trades. But if you're new to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so what we're going to talk about in this video is like 5 reasons, okay? My top 5 on why you are probably losing, trades right now. And if you land on this video, that means that you want to improve on your trading. So you should be, if you don't have a pencil or a pad, if you got your phone in your hand, just put it in your notes and just take notes on everything that I'm saying, okay? So just understand, guys, that when you are a part of trading, when you are actually considering yourself as a forex trader, you are going to take losses, but some losses can be avoided, and we're going to talk about 5 of the things that you could possibly tighten up on or that you might be doing that can help your account grow if you stop doing these things. So the first thing I want to talk about is, 1, you probably are using way too many strategies. All right, so if you're using too many strategies, as you can see on this picture, it's so many things cluttering your brain when it comes to the market. And when you come to the market, you want to have a clear vision. All right, you want to have one strategy that you can stick to, win, lose, or draw. Don't keep changing your strategy. Why? Because once again, you're going to clutter your brain with so much things that the market can going up in the uptrend, but if you learn this other strategy, you might be looking at it and saying it's a downtrend. But your other strategy saying that it's an uptrend, so now you're confused all over the place. All right, and one of the things that I used to struggle with as a beginner is trying this strategy, that strategy, this strategy, that strategy. All of it is the same, guys. All of it is the same. Guess why? You're still going to lose trades with whatever strategy. If you buy a course, if you buy a strategy from somebody else, guess what? No strategy is 100%. Now, what you should focus on with your strategy is having a good winning percent rate. All right. So let's say you have a 65 percentage win rate, 70, 85, cool. Your lose rate should always be less than your win rate. All right. So if you find yourself losing way more than you're winning right now, this could be number 1. Number 2, very important. I do this sometimes, but at the end of the day, it's at your own risk. Over leveraging. So depending on your account size, you should know how much you're losing to risk every trade. Okay, so before you hop in a trade, you should be like, oh, okay, well, I'm losing $50 to make $200, or I'm losing $60 to make $300, or I'm losing $1 to make $5. Like, you have to know what you are able to do with the account that you have to trade with. Now, an example of over leveraging would be, if you have a $100 account and you want to trade, instead of using 0.01, which is 10 cent per trade, 10 cent per pip, I'm sorry guys, 10 cent per pip, you decide to use or try to use 3 0.10, which consider $1, okay, and the trade go against you. Now you're losing, let's say, now you're losing big time now, because you're talking about $1 per pip, okay? And let me check this trade I'm in right now. It's the weekend, guys. I am trading Bitcoin. So I just want to check this trade, and if I'm in profit, I'm going to take it, okay? I'm still not in profit yet. Down draw. So listen, if you over leverage, now you are basically setting yourself up to blow your account. So once again, over leveraging could be number 2. Number 3, you see this dude on the screen, he's just looking at the chart, scratching his head, instead of setting his setting his trade, stop loss, a good stop loss, and I come to the conclusion, guys, if you use a tight stop loss, it's going to get hit. That's what the banks do. Sometimes they even do a huge fake out where you can have a big stop loss and it still knock you out of the trade. But it's best to let the market hit your stop loss and take you out instead of like 3. You're not letting the trade play out, okay? You're scared to lose. So let's say you set a stop loss for 20 pips and you're looking to gain 100 pips. Let's say price go down 15 pips. It did not touch your stop loss yet. You got out, right? So what you do, always going down, and you panicking. So you thinking in lack. You're scared to lose to the point that you're about to lose. So let's say it only go down 15 pips. Your stop loss is 20 pips. It do not even touch your stop loss. It go down 15 pips, but you see that it's going down and you get out the trade. As soon as you get out, whoop, it go in your direction. Has that happened to anybody that's watching this video? If it happened, you just comment below and just say me. Because I know it happened to me plenty of times in like my beginning, because I was so scared to lose money until I understood when it comes to trading, you're going to lose money to gain more money, okay? So this could be number 3. Number 4, practice makes perfect. So not back testing your strategy enough could also be a reason why you're losing trades. You have to practice. Let's look at, athletes, for example. An athlete has to go to the gym, has to stay fit, has to work out, has to practice his playbook, okay? They have to practice before they actually play, okay? You don't go from high school or middle school straight to the NFL or the NBA or whatever sport professionally that you like to play or look at. You have to go through different stages to get to where you want to be. And how are you going to get there? By back testing. It's the weekend. If you don't trade crypto, if you don't have TradingView, go get it. It's free. You can back test, replay, and just basically see what your strategy does in certain situations and how you would handle it, like if it was real. So the upcoming week, you are more sharper, you're more smarter than you were last week. Why? Because you practiced, okay? And you're getting ready for the game, which starts once the market open. So you practice and then you play, okay? It's that simple. Practice and then you play. Now the 5th thing that I want to talk about that is very, very important that a lot of people do is not taking profit. And then as you can see, / staying out the market. So I'm going to get on the last part. So the first one is not taking profit. If you have a $50 account or $100 account or whatever account that you have and you double it in a trade, take profit. You expect it to go up and up and up and up. No, guys, listen, the market gives you a certain amount of pips. Just like the universe, all of it works the same. If you in the right mindset, okay, and you looked at the market completely correct, and you happen to get in a trade and it's going your favor, okay. Another thing is, guys, you can also just move your stop loss into profit and just let it run. So you're not gonna lose anything. But if you just don't have no stop loss in profit, just no TP or anything, sometimes what would happen is you would just be waiting for price to go up and up and up, okay? And what it would do is actually come all the way back down and you lost all the profit that you had. Why? Because you were being greedy and you did not take profit, okay? The whole thing in trading is to make money. Get what the market is giving you. Take it. Don't just look at it, okay? So let's say we're looking at $500 on the screen, right? And you're just looking at it. But if somebody was in person and they're like, you want $500? You're gonna be like, yeah, let me have that, man. Let me get that. So why not do it in forex? Why not take 500? Why not take 200? Why not take 50? You know, so just take it. It's going to help your account build and grow and grow and grow. But I feel like a lot of people get so caught up in social media, or, you know, basically big traders able to hold trades, make $2,000-3,000 a trade, and you think you're finna do the same thing. All you have to do is be like, okay, I have $100 account or a $200 account. In order for me to get to $1,000, I have to build it. Okay, build, 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 build. Now the second part is, when you do take profit, stay out the market. Stay out the market. Do not get back in the market. Stay out the market. Stay out the market. Stay out the market. All right. It's just like a casino. I think I mentioned this in one of my last videos. If you go to the casino and you hit the jackpot for $50,000 or $1,000 or whatever, $500, take your money, leave the casino. Why? Because you just got way more than what you came in with. Same thing in the market. If you come in with 50 and you get 50, take it. Now you have 100. It's the same thing, guys. Take your money, get out the market, stay out until the next day. And why do I say that? It's because you need to reflect on what you just did. You just made money by doing nothing but reading a chart and pressing buy or sell, versus going to somebody else's job, punching the clock, being somewhere you don't want to be, away from your family, away from your kids, away from your home, you know what I'm saying, risking catching COVID. I don't believe in it, but for those, you know what I'm saying, who don't take care of themselves, if you do get around somebody that's sick, then of course you have a chance of getting sick. So just your overall being is at home and you making money, whether it's from your kitchen, from your bed, from your office. Like this, I have my own little office. From the gym, I make money going to the gym. Guys, it is one of those things where you just take your money and get out. That's it. So those were the 5 things that I talked about, guys. Using too many strategies, over leveraging, not letting the trade play out, getting out way before it happened. Just let it hit stop loss. Okay, if it hit stop loss, you were already prepared for it if you calculated, you know, the trade and the pips before you took it. Practice. You have to practice your strategy in order for it to get better. And in order for you to get better, you have to know how your pair move. I'm also going to throw this in there. Stick with one pair, okay? I have one pair, one indice, one crypto. You need one, to me, you need one in every area, okay? That's just what I think. You can just stick to one. You don't even have to trade indices or cryptos. You can stick to one currency pair. And the last but not least, not taking profit / staying out the market. We just went over that. Just make sure you come back to this video and be like, okay, look, am I doing any of these things? And if you are, come back to this video, look at it, and write down what you need to do better. Okay, so me, I'm a little note keeper, what I did wrong on one trade, what I did right, what I need to do better. Like, guys, keep track of what you're doing. So if this video helped you, make sure that you go ahead, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell. Also comment below if y'all got any other type of videos y'all want me to make, and I'm gonna do my best to make those. So yeah, and I'm trying to stay off of social media. So if you don't see me on Instagram as much, I'm really focusing on my craft, and I'm just trying to become a better Forex trader. So yeah, my Instagram will be below. Make sure you go follow me, because when I do come back, guys, it's gonna be straight lifestyle pictures, videos, all that good stuff. I have a Telegram group. If you want to be a part of that, DM me on Instagram, all that good stuff. But other than that, I'm out.